How to use hum to search songs on YouTube mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. With the latest update of YouTube, now you can hum to search for different songs. But before that, make sure you have latest version of the application installed. You can visit the Play Store or App Store and tap on update button if it's available. Once that is done, let's move on with the step. First of all, launch your YouTube application and then tap on the search icon which is on the top right. Tapping on it, you will see a microphone. Tap on it. The first is for the voice. You will have to choose the second one, which is song. Now you can play, sing or hum a song. Make sure to do it until it's done. The notification will be provided on the screen itself, and once it is completed, you will see the song displayed. And just by that, you can use humming to search songs on YouTube mobile now. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.